The Solar Decathlon is an international competition in which universities from all over the world meet to design, build and operate an attractive net zero energy house using solar energy as the only energy source. IIT Bombay and Rachna Sansad's Academy of Architecture joined hands to form Team Shunya. We are proud to be the first Indian team to ever participate in Solar Decathlon Europe 2014 in Versailles. India, home to 1.2 billion people, is a culturally and geographically diverse nation. The past 2 decades have witnessed rapid, unprecedented development in industry, technology, and infrastructure. The number of urban middle-class houses today stands at 32 million. It is projected to be 147 million by 2030, a nearly 300% increase. Such a rapid increase in the housing sector will lead to a lot of pressure on the energy infrastructure. So, it is essential that India find a sustainable, cost-effective and energy-efficient house for the Indian middle class. Team Shunya is trying to create a sustainable and affordable way to meet the growing energy and housing demand. Through a successful demonstration of our concept, we aim to change the perception of the building industry, policymakers, and the general population towards sustainable housing. Our house is named H0, a 70 square meter house designed to accommodate up to 6 people. It is a quintessential Indian home optimized for a typical urban Indian family unit of a couple, 2 children, and the grandparents. H0 has a bedroom, 2 bathrooms including a handicap-friendly one, a kitchen, and a wide, spacious living room. The house is a steel-framed structure with walls made from prefabricated insulated panels. The panels interlock easily, providing ease of construction and thermal comfort. The spatial arrangement of the different rooms was arrived at by combining modern techniques of simulation with the age-old principles of Vastu Shastra, the ancient Indian science of architecture. Multifunctional spaces and modular furniture provide a compact yet comfortable living space. We have used the Indian concept of a veranda, which acts as a buffer space and minimizes heat gain. The jali, another traditional Indian element, induces ventilation while providing protection from radiation. Passive solar architecture and natural lighting design ensure that the windows, walls, and spaces reduce the artificial cooling requirements. The roof has a 5 kilowatt peak photovoltaic system to meet all the electricity requirements of the house. A novel PV thermal system provides hot water for bathing, washing dishes, etc. Being a net energy positive house, it supplies more electricity to the grid than it consumes. H0 will be a part of a 4-storied building cluster, ensuring a high standard of life and a vibrant culture. With the rapid development of India, the major cities are getting saturated, and the peri-urban areas are emerging as the new growth centers. The proposed Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, which connects 2 of the country's biggest nodes by road and rail, will see a substantial growth in industries and, as a result, jobs. Lying along the DMIC, very close to Mumbai, is Uran, making it an ideal site to show the application of our concept. Projects such as the DMIC, coupled with our housing model, will make India an inspiration for all developing countries to grow in a sustainable manner. Team Shunya, building a sustainable future.